Communities around the country have begun the transition to a clean energy future, as more and more of the electricity we use is being generated from clean, renewable sources. The Environmental Protection Agency and the Energy Star program want to help you and your family be part of this transition in a way that saves you money on your energy bills and improves the health and comfort of your home with an Energy Star home upgrade, which includes 6 high-impact energy efficiency improvements. You'll have a home that's designed to deliver significant energy and cost savings.
For the average American household, almost half the annual energy bill goes to heating and cooling. That's over $900 a year. Switching to an Energy Star certified air source heat pump can save you energy and money all year long. Air source heat pumps are more efficient than furnaces and boilers because they move heat instead of creating it. And they can be run off of clean, renewable electricity. And heat pumps can both heat in the winter and cool in the summer, so they do double duty, compared to having 2 separate units. If you have central air, consider switching to a heat pump next time you replace your system. Replacing your air conditioner with a heat pump does not require any special upgrades and can be done for a modest extra cost. Your water heater is the second highest energy user in your home. On average, an Energy Star certified heat pump water heater uses 70% less energy and can help a family of 4 save about $425 per year on its electric bills compared to a standard electric water heater. Larger families that typically use more hot water will save even more. And many utilities offer big rebates, some up to $1,000 on Energy Star certified units. So now is the time to make the switch. A smart thermostat that's earned the Energy Star label is the perfect way to control your temperature settings to save energy and money. They're called smart because they learn your family's preferences for heating and cooling without you having to set them like an old programmable thermostat. Families with high energy use can save as much as $100 per year. Energy Star certified windows save you energy and money while providing comfort and performance. Energy Star sets performance criteria for windows based on where you live. If you live in a colder northern climate, the windows have more insulating power to keep the cold out and reduce heating bills. If you live in a hotter and southern climate, the windows have invisible coatings on the glass which can block solar heat from the sun and reduce air conditioning costs. In the middle part of the country, the windows are balanced with both kinds of benefits. Replacing old drafty windows with modern Energy Star certified windows can lower household energy bills by an average of 12%, depending on where you live. Did you know that 9 out of 10 homes in the U.S. are under-insulated? Sealing air leaks and adding insulation to your home can help you save on energy bills and make your home more comfortable in the winter and the summer. Typically, the easiest and most cost-effective place to add insulation is the attic. But it is important to remember to first seal and cover holes which cause conditioned air to leak out the top of your house, especially when it's cold out. Sealing and insulating your attic can save you up to 8% on your annual energy bills. The Energy Star Home Upgrade Tool has guidance on where to find contractors to make this improvement. The future of transportation is electric. So even if you don't plan on getting an electric vehicle right away, there are things you can do now to make your home EV ready. Installing the necessary wiring at your house will help you prepare for a clean energy future. If you do purchase an EV, look for an Energy Star certified chargers to save on energy bills. To make your house electric ready, work with your electrician to confirm whether your electric panel can accommodate additional electric loads, like a water heater, EV charger, and a heat pump. In some cases, especially in older homes, electrical upgrades may be required.
If you're ready to make energy efficiency upgrades to your home, visit their website, energystar.gov/home upgrade, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.